mọ́ kiri ẹ̀.
ẹ̀yìn ọlọ́run ti bá ti gbogbo oúnjẹ yín lórí burúkú èèyàn yẹ́yìn ojú òtí yára pẹ̀lú yàtọ̀ oúnjẹ wa tí wọ́n aṣọ yìí ọlọ́run bá ti gbogbo oúnjẹ ní ọlọ́run bá ti gbogbo oúnjẹ yín lórí burúkú yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn burúkú yìí ṣẹ́kẹ́ fọ́lọ́ àwọn eléyìí ṣẹ́kẹ́ tẹ̀lé àwọn eléyìí ṣẹ́kẹ́ tẹ̀lé àwọn eléyìí àwọn tó fi àjẹ́ yẹn tó wọṣọ yìí ọlọ́run ti bá ti jẹ torí rẹ̀ èrè lọ fún yín 1,000 lè má gbà 1,000 lè má gbà 1,000 ẹ̀yin ṣẹ́kẹ́ tẹ̀lé ṣẹ́kẹ́ fọ́lọ́ wọn. Kọ́pẹ́ nǹkan kẹ́kẹ́
àwọn àgbàlagbà.
Mọ́mí, ẹ jókòó sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù yín, ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ni.
Àwọn tó ń sinwin. Látàárọ̀ ní sí 1,000 lọ́ máa fún yín. Àwọn olórí burúkú. Tọ́wọ́ ọmọ owó ṣe oríire rẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí. Abẹ́ ìṣòrí burúkú.
Ok, ṣé aṣọ tọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló ń bí inú ni àbí?
Àníkò rẹ̀ kò yẹ kó fọ́lọ́ APC ara sẹ́.
Ok, pé yáyé àbí? Ọmọ lọ.
Àwọn ìsáàlùwọ̀.
Ẹ má lọ bá wọn ní ẹ kébì jáde lọ ẹ pé ó súnmọ́ gidi o. Ṣáwọlé.
Mi tètè rí màá ti ṣépè fún àgbọ̀ mi ló ń gbé.
Ok, ní ẹ̀rẹ́.
Délé fàyè dàbí wàá dàrẹ̀ tìrọ̀ yẹ̀ ní jẹ́ yọ̀ ẹ̀yọ́ lórí burúkú yọ̀ ẹ wò.
Nemesis will fight Tinubu. He may have the power, have everything to himself. Go outside there, you see that people are not happy. That is why, as from August, September, if you wear APC clothes, they will stone you. They say it's APC banner, they will burn it. And not to be very, very, very tensed.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣẹ̀rí kó ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí òun ni Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé sọ pé tó bá máa yá wọn máa faṣọ mọ́ anybody tó bá wọṣọ APC lára ni o wọn máa faṣọ ya mọ́ wọn lára òun lè rí tí arákùnrin yẹn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣépè fún àwọn èèyàn kan tó wọ́n rìn lọ lójú títì tí wọ́n ń wọ aṣọ APC wọ́n ní aṣọ ẹ̀ tó fìyà jẹ yín òun náà lẹ́ ń wọ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣoríṣiríṣi kákàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé wọ́n tún ní Donald Trump ìgbésẹ̀ tí Àtíkù fẹ́ gbé báyìí wọ́n ní Donald Trump máa wá gbé Tinubu o Donald Trump is coming to pick Tinubu if Àtíkù venture step into America òun ni bàbá yìí sọ nísìnyí so ẹ̀wọ́n àkọ́ fìdílé ẹ̀kọ́jà jọ gbọ́ prọfẹ́sì lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ máa gbóná kọjá normal it will be hotter than what we've been thinking before that this time around is going to be seriously heavy that if you are wearing any APC uniform if you're wearing APC cap or t-shirt people will be attacking you on the road and you can see in the beginning of this video that it seems the attack has started bit by bit. So, for opinion, as in the comment, please drop your comment down below. Prophecy, Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé.
Because of insecurity, America will cut Nigeria, whatever they are giving to Nigeria, whatever money they are giving to Nigeria, they will cut it. Because America want to fight Tinubu and Donald Trump want to remove him from office. Underline. When the time comes, they will start flying a lot of documentation against him. Time will tell. You know, Obasanjo is not with Atiku. He's not with him. Oh, if Atiku depends on Obasanjo, he will fall Yakata. Obasanjo is with Obi. I told you, Obi will leave NDC. ADC. I told you, he will leave, and Obi cannot be president. Let him and Kwankwaso go to anywhere. See, only United Force can remove Tinubu. Tinubu is extremely stubborn, and nobody is arrogant, stubborn like Tinubu amongst them. He's ready for them spiritually, technically, psychologically. If it's to rig, he's ready to rig. So where the election will fail, and where I'm not saying that election 2027 can produce a candidate is that the two parties of Atiku and Tinubu, they are determined. The only thing that I'm afraid of is Atiku may not have what it takes to win. Only international community will save Atiku to win. And I said it again, the moment Atiku visits America, Tinubu will start packing. Immediately, if he visits America, bam, like this, let him start packing, you know. Cardoso and the Minister of Finance, they won't get the economy right. Two of them will fight. Why was they fight? Zacchaeus, Cardoso, and Oyedele, they will fight. Because the formula they will introduce to economy will make hardship. Nigeria will see except triple hardship, and the government doesn't care. That's that. You think we have a caring government? No, we don't have a caring government. Our government are self-centered. What they want, honestly, only few deserve second time. Only few. Because no light, no good road, no food, things are difficult, people are killed. You want to tell me there's no genocide? There's genocide in Nigeria now. We're only pretending. And the government shows that they are not care about human. Yes. They don't want anybody to talk. And you don't know that there's what they call nemesis. Nemesis will fight Tinubu. He may have the power, have everything to himself. Go outside there, you see that people are not happy. That is why, as from August, September, if you wear APC clothes, they will stone you. They say it's APC banner, they will burn it. And not to be very, very, very tensed. They need prayers. They need to start doing something that will make people to calm. They are trying to trigger the tension. When the president said, I'm a stubborn president, I'm a stubborn politician, it goes a long way. Tinubu. China and Taiwan, they will start crisis. You know, they will attack America. America is not safe. I see shooting, I see bombing.